Hey y'all, I am back again, another video. I'm going to be doing another nail video. Going to be using these nails right here that I got from SHIEN. Yep, let me back this up a little bit. It's not lame. Okay, so I have my nail things here. And then my kiss glue. It also comes with this if you just want to have them as press-ons. And it also comes with another one of these. So first I'm going to trim my nails a little bit. And kind of curve them a little bit because the nails curve. So if you didn't see my last nail video with the new pink nails from Kiss, I will link it up above.
Okay, my light just died. Okay, give me 1 second.
Okay, well, the light is charging, so can't really do much about that, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do this.
Okay.
Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and select the nails that are for my fingers.
So you got like a nude yellow type of nail color going on. I don't know if you can see that, but I can see because the lighting. But once the light charges, I will show you the end process. Yeah, I'm a bit too big. So once it ends, they're quite big.
Okay, so I decided to change the nails. I didn't want to do the yellow ones. I feel like they wasn't really it, to be honest. So I'm gonna be doing these colorful ones right here, as you can see. So I already have set the ones that are good for my fingers. So just gonna open it back up. Yeah, put a lot of glue, it's just way too much. These, yeah, put too much glue. They're quite long in length. Let me just see. Yeah, right here, right, quite long in that length. So First side done. They kind of feel a little sharp. It's not I'm not used to. They feel like more like claw nails, but not bad. Alright, next. Okay, so the nails are done. Let me just put the light real quick. Ooh, let me. So these are how they looking. I think it's pretty cute. Definitely not a length I'm used to, but I think it's pretty cute. See if the light will even last a little bit. Make sure you guys both hands. Yeah, these are how the nails looking. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.